So, bought this from Amazon, refurbished, and the screw came like this. So it was already stripped screw. So I was like, all right, I'll get like an extractor kit for my drill, which I have here. See, I can see it. And I'm making sure it's on. This camera's like acting crazy. That it's on reverse. Reverse. And when I put it in, see? Wouldn't even move. So that screw's in there real good. This is what I get. I should have just bought it brand new. Look at that. It won't come out. And you can see the drills like smoking. You probably can't see it. Drill's smoking though. I don't know.